Yes, this was going to be a present, but I decided to make it my own because, yes. Hello, and over the last couple of months, I got really into doing makeup and stuff, and because I haven't really dabbled with it at all my whole life. I think all I did was like mascara and like that's it. I did nothing else. I just wanted to show my journey with makeup or just being comfortable with using, you know, all the brushes and all the products that are out there, because, you know, my YouTube feed is just, it bombards me with all these videos of people doing amazing makeup and like people being able to do it and they just look great. And it's like, what if I need to go to a job interview and they want you to look, you know, not like you just look up, you know, or just a little mascara. And it's like, what if that happens? Actually, yes, this was going to be a present, but I decided to make it my own because, yes. So it's got a little bit of coffee. Let's go. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. A little bit about me. I just get a little obsessed with something. When I have my mind on something, I just keep going for it. It happened with like art supplies. You can see all the other videos. Like I started drawing and I was like, oh, I need to get all these things and the paper and the Copic markers, and that kind of went away when I kind of stopped drawing. And now here we are, we're in makeup and I have all this stuff next to me, and what I'm gonna do in this video, I guess it is what it is, show you my journey, like I said, of makeup and skincare stuff. First, you need to know what your skin is, and when you haven't done anything, you know, even looked at your skin at all or done anything, all you do is wash it in the shower and that's all you do. It's really hard to know what kind of makeup you want to wear. So I went into it thinking, oh, I need matte because that's what everybody's using. I need to look like not shiny. But I didn't even know that, you know, I had dry skin like in certain spots. So when I put on, I got this one. I'll show you, start right now. I got this. Maybe it's backwards. Is it backwards? Shit. It's probably backwards. But anyways, it's Revlon color, whatever. Or actually, that's not it. Oh, no, it is. See, it says matte finish. I got that one. And I put it on and I was like, ooh, Jesus. Like, it was just flaky as hell. And I even got this one. I got powder because that's what people use. I looked at my skin in a mirror and I was like, this looks disgusting. Like, why? Turns out you don't want to use kind of a matte foundation on dry skin because it just enhances that. Plus, you know, this powder like really makes it stand out. Like, I get dry really, like this is a problem area right here. I actually, after using this, my skin was like really, I don't even know the word. It just felt not smooth. Bumpy, but it was crazy. So I stopped using that and I was like, I'm gonna just stay away from foundation right now because I don't know anything about it. So I just kept going and I was like, okay, maybe I need to go for something that's for dry skin, something that will hydrate you. So then I went to Ulta because I discovered that there's an Ulta freaking 10 minutes down the street. I had no idea. So I went to Ulta and I'm like going through everything. I'm like slimming. I'm going like, ooh, Fenty Beauty, ooh, Maybelline, ooh, what's it, CoverGirl, all these things. And I was like, oh, this is fun. Look at all the fun packaging. Look at all the fun things. So then I was like, I'm looking for, oh, that's the other thing. I don't like to be caked makeup. Don't like it. Only for like 10 minutes just to see what it's like. And as soon as you look really close in a mirror, you're just like, fuck this shit. I don't want that. So then I went to Ulta. I need something that's kind of a medium to light coverage. Because I don't I don't have any like acne scars or anything like that, so I don't need to cover anything. And she's like, oh, get this one. Stay naked. So I got it, tried it. Beautiful. It was amazing. So good. But wait. Actually, what happened was I put it on. I was like, this is great. But it's still a little dry. Turns out, everybody, you gotta wet this thing before you put it on. I was doing it wrong for so long. You gotta damp it first. Okay, thanks for not telling me. As soon as I started dampening this, making it damp, it was delicious. It was great. And then I went to Target. I saw Neutrogena has this one. And I tried it and I was like, this is great because it has the moisturizers. It says it plumps too. I don't need any plumping, that's fine. It's a very light coverage foundation. That's really great. So these two I use together. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I use this one on my head, on my forehead, because it needs that moisturizing stuff. So I do that. Rewind like 2 years. I didn't have any makeup. I had all my makeup stolen. So I went to MAC, full of anxiety because I was like, MAC is such a small store and they all just like jump on you. I get so anxious because I always go in there with, well, I went in there with no makeup because at the time I wasn't doing anything. I needed eyeshadow. And then I found this one. This is literally the best eyeshadow. It is amazing. I've used it a lot, you can tell. It's all kind of gross and shit, but it's just all the browns and like a nude. And this one right here, you can't tell, but damn. I'm gonna just show you right now. I've washed my hands, don't worry. But like, it is shiny as... Bear with me. It's shiny. Anyways, it's sparkly. And so I kind of used it, you know, to just spice things up. And then, you know, I was getting a bug to buy makeup and stuff. And I was like, what do people use as well to make their makeup last longer? Because I found that eyeshadow, especially, like, it wears off and stuff. People are using the, like, setting spray. So it's like, I'll get that. So I got it. It's pretty fun. And then I started working in a retail job. And there's this, my one coworker, she would come in, actually I had two, and their makeup was so beautiful. And I would sit next to them and I could see that their skin was just so, it didn't look like caked on or anything. And I was like, damn. And their eyeshadow was just, oh my gosh, beautiful. I was like, what are you doing? So the one girl was like, oh, I bought this eyeshadow palette from Target. I was like, what? Target? And she's like, yeah, it was like $11. I was like, ooh, for all the shades. And she showed me on her phone and I was like, cool. So I went to Target. I couldn't find the one that she used, but I found this one. Ooh, purple. Ooh, purple. 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 Pink. I was like, yes, I love that. You can see it. This one. It looks purple, but it's like iridescent purple, and it is gorgeous. She is cute. I haven't really been that kind of a lipstick person because every time I put it on, it feels like I'm a clown. I feel like a clown, or I feel like everyone's looking at me like, oh, she doesn't wear lipstick. You can tell. You can tell she doesn't wear lipstick because she looks uncomfortable. It's so crazy. But that's what I was thinking. But then I was like, I like MAC. So I was trolling or browsing. I was browsing the MAC website because we love her so much. And I kind of wanted to make my own eyeshadow palette, but I got distracted, as I do. And I discovered the Powder Kiss lipstick, right? And it's like the lightest thing. And it goes on so nicely. It's like a matte lipstick, which again, I probably shouldn't get because my lips get really dry. But I love the look of a matte thing. So I just make sure to moisturize those lips. The point is, I kind of went a little crazy and got, because they were on sale. So I got 3 of them Look at this. She's sexy. Ooh. That could go nice. And it's also tough, you know, shopping for lip stuff online. Oh, she's a little pink. Tried her on again. Thought I looked like a clown, but that's just my insecurity, I feel like. And I got this one, dude. Whew. She is gorgeous. Because at the time, you can see there's a little bit of pink or purple. I think I can put a picture in there somewhere. I had like purple hair. So I was like, oh, purple hair with a deep purple lipstick. Let's go. So I ended up going a little oh no, here's another one. There's another one. Oh, this is the one we like. We like her. She's sexy, this one. A deep purple. If this one is P for potent. It's how you spell potent. It starts with a P. With the other lips, and then we went to a different Ulta. And I saw the Kylie lip stuff. And I was like, this is really problematic for me because I don't want to give them more money, but at the same time, I want to try this shit out. Because I was a wuss, I ended up buying the like mini travel sized ones. And then I ended up loving this one. This one is so good. It's called Charm. It's the best one. This one is a little, I don't remember. It was a little orangey. I don't know. And then I have this little bin that I got for Christmas. Merry Christmas. So I put all the stuff that I use all the time in here. So I can just put it in the cupboard and grab it out. So I have everything. And then I was like, oh, let me go legit and get one of the full-sized lip kits. Don't ask me why, I still have the box for it. So I got this one. And I was like, ooh, that color looks cool. She is red velvet. So I got the lip pencil and the thing. I haven't really worn this because it's a little bright for me. It's just a little too look at me for me. You know what I mean? It's a little too much. But she's cute though. There's gonna be a time when I'm gonna use this. Oh, when I got those MAC lipsticks, they came with free gifts. So now I have, apparently this is concealer. Oh no, powder foundation. It's a powder foundation. It's like sample. I've tried it, you can see. Oops.
You're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
I don't know how it works. Why am I throwing things around? Just put them down nicely, Jesus. Highlighter. So I saw all these videos with highlighter and I was like, ooh, highlighter is pretty. So at first I was using, you know, eyeshadow to just kind of do a little bit, just to be, I saw this on Amazon and I was like, oh, it's this Master Shrumping. And I did it and it's like this stick. It looks like lipstick, but like you just literally like put it, okay, you can't really see it, but I used it as eyeshadow a little bit. So you can, it's shiny and cute, love her. So anyways, that's really fun to just put anywhere. You can literally just put anywhere. Love it. And it's in like a light pink. Yeah, light iridescent, love it. Don't judge this, but I got a CoverGirl thing and you can see it's all messed up. That's because I dropped it on the goddamn floor and this whole one popped out. All these other ones are fine except this one. That was fun. This is a cute one too. I love this one. Two I found on sale. I love finding shit on sale. So I got this one at Target. Again, I dropped it. I'm such a klutz. Clearance. For $3. And this is actually really nice. This is all you need. Love her. And then I found this CoverGirl one at H-E-B, which is a grocery store. Found these. I've used it a lot already. It's so pretty. Just all these pinks. Love her. And we found that one for $2.60. Love that. Oh. The one disappointment. This. It was $4. I think it was usually like 11 or something. So I was like, oh, this is more highlighter. I got it. And it is so shit. You can see I've been scratching it to get anything to come out of it. But even when you do, it's nothing. Nothing. There's nothing there. Maybe I'm using it wrong, but it has an amazing mirror. It is a solid ass mirror. So I keep it. And then I got a little obsessed and I got a few brushes. I got a little powder brush. And I got this one, too. Again, most of these were on sale. This one, I found at Walmart. This is a Body Shop brush. I don't use this one. Look at this. It's a brush. But how? You take this one off. Look at that. Now it's a little boop, boop, boop. But you can, or just have a long ass brush. And then when you want to close it, you just do this. Pop that boy on, and done. Good to go. I don't know if you people are on TikTok, but just did a bad thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And I'm wondering what it is. I'll tell you what it is. I did a bad thing. So then I got this. But this is the stuff I used today. I don't know if it looks nice at all. I didn't do a face. I just did eyes. But I really liked the colors that I saw in the pictures. As you see, I used this one already a ton. I love the purple and gold. It's so cute. This one is so strong. So I'll show you what I put in my little bucket. I put all the brushes, all of them. I have this sort of Clinique sort of lip balmy thing. This foundation in there. This Maybelline eyeliner. Also this Revlon like roller. It's stupid. It's like a pizza cutter eyeliner thing, but I keep it in there anyways. It's dumb, don't get it. I keep this one in there just in case. This is the Charm one, the little bitty one. Sometimes I have to kind of scrounge around to look for him, but I find him anyways. I love keeping this one in here too. Mascara. And I have another one, just in case. Oop. This is another CoverGirl eyeliner thing. She is really skinny, she can fit in there. I also have this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. It smells like chemicals. So it smells like chemicals. But I use it. Since Mr. Big Mac Boy can't fit in here. So I don't put that in there, that's just in the drawer. And sometimes I just kind of stash these at the top, and like the beauty blender just kind of sits in there. And then I just put in the cupboard. Ta-da! Yeah, and then these palettes, they're also in the drawer. It's just easier. So that's, you know, my makeup journey / skincare thing. This could have been done better, but this is my first one in a while, so I don't care. I just wanted to get it out and done. Thank you so much, and yeah. Oh, let me fix that for you.